Story 8. I saw an Arab of the desert who said to his boy, "O son, on the day of resurrection, thou wilt be asked what thou hast gained, and not from whom thou art descended. That is to say, thou wilt be asked what were thy merit is, and not who thy father was. The covering of the Kaaba, which is kissed, has not been ennobled by the silkworm. It was some days in company with a venerable man, wherefore it became respected like himself." And see, even when it comes to something like the Kaaba, you know, the stones, the cloths that they put over it, the encasing of silver or mud or whatever it's been in times past, I think it was bronze at some points too. It's not ennobled by just, you know, the animals and the mineral nature of it. It's about the spiritual use of it.